Family conflicts are painful, especially for children. When parents separate or divorce, children can feel lost and scared. The good news is there's a better way: family mediation. Mediation brings families together with a neutral, trained professional. This mediator helps parents communicate and make important decisions together. The focus is on what's best for the children, not who wins or loses. Mediation empowers parents to create their own solutions. It helps families move forward with less conflict and more understanding. My own experience in family court opened my eyes to the flaws in the system. My daughter and I endured years of painful litigation. The process was adversarial, pitting me against my ex-spouse in a battle that seemed to have no end. I watched my daughter, once carefree and happy, become withdrawn and anxious. The constant conflict, the court appearances, the uncertainty, it all took a toll on her. She felt torn between her parents, caught in a web of legal battles she didn't understand. I vowed to find a better way, to advocate for families like mine who deserved a more humane and child-centered approach.
One disturbing aspect of family court is the potential for profit to overshadow the best interests of children. The longer a case drags on, the more money lawyers make. This creates a perverse incentive to prolong litigation, even when it's not in the child's best interest. Court-appointed professionals, such as custody evaluators and therapists, can also contribute to the financial burden. While some are truly dedicated to helping families, others seem more interested in generating fees than finding solutions. This focus on profit can turn family court into a business, with children becoming commodities in a system that prioritizes financial gain over their emotional well-being. It's important to acknowledge that many family court judges are caring individuals who genuinely want to help families. However, they often find themselves constrained by a flawed system. Overloaded dockets, limited resources, and outdated laws can hinder their ability to make decisions that truly serve the best interests of children. Judges may be forced to rely on adversarial proceedings, where lawyers present conflicting narratives and evidence. This can make it challenging to discern the truth and make informed decisions that reflect the complexities of family dynamics. Judges, despite their best intentions, may struggle to overcome these systemic obstacles. It's crucial to advocate for reforms that provide judges with the tools and resources they need to make child-centered decisions. Mediation offers a stark contrast to the adversarial nature of family court. It's a process that emphasizes cooperation, communication, and compromise. Parents work together with a trained mediator to reach agreements that meet everyone's needs, especially those of their children. In mediation, parents retain control over the decisions that affect their family. They are empowered to craft customized solutions for their unique circumstances, rather than having a one-size-fits-all solution imposed by a judge. Mediation also provides a safe and confidential space for families to address their conflicts. By choosing mediation, parents prioritize their children's well-being and create a more peaceful and stable future for their family. Even some family court judges recognize the limitations of the system they operate within. They understand that the adversarial process can be harmful to children, and that alternative approaches, such as mediation, are often more effective. Some judges have spoken out about the need for reform, emphasizing the importance of hearing children's voices and prioritizing their best interests. They believe that by shifting the focus from winning and losing to collaboration and understanding, families can achieve more positive and lasting outcomes. Their insights highlight the need for a paradigm shift in family law, moving away from an adversarial system to one that prioritizes the well-being of children and encourages the peaceful resolution of family disputes. Healing through understanding a child's plea. Imagine a child in the middle of a bitter custody battle. They may feel torn between their parents, pressured to choose sides, or overwhelmed by the constant conflict. Their voice, often unheard in legal proceedings, yearns to be acknowledged. Children in these situations may exhibit signs of distress, such as anxiety, depression, withdrawal, or aggression. They simply want their parents to stop fighting, to communicate respectfully, and to create a stable and loving environment where they can thrive. By choosing mediation, parents can honor their children's pleas and demonstrate that their well-being is their utmost priority. Breaking the cycle, choosing a different path. For many families, the decision to pursue mediation is a conscious choice to break free from a cycle of conflict. They recognize that continuing to battle it out in court will only prolong the pain and cause further harm to their children. Mediation offers an opportunity to rewrite the narrative, to shift from a dynamic of adversaries to one of collaborators. By choosing mediation, parents send a powerful message to their children that their needs matter, that their voices are heard, and that their parents are willing to put aside their differences for the good of the family. This decision can have a ripple effect, influencing not just the immediate family but also future generations. The future of your family. It's not about winning or losing. In the context of family disputes, the concept of winning or losing takes on a different meaning. There are no true winners when a family is torn apart by conflict. Even if one parent prevails in court, the emotional toll on everyone involved, especially the children, can be devastating. Mediation shifts the focus from victory to resolution. It's about finding solutions that work for everyone, not about declaring one parent the winner and the other the loser. By embracing a collaborative approach, parents can transform a potentially destructive experience into an opportunity for growth, healing, and a more positive family dynamic. Hope for tomorrow, building a brighter future for our children. By raising awareness about the benefits of mediation and advocating for reforms that prioritize the best interests of children, we can create a more humane and effective system for resolving family disputes. Parents have the power to choose a different path, one that emphasizes cooperation, communication, and compassion. By embracing mediation, they can shield their children from the harmful effects of litigation and create a more peaceful and loving environment for their family. Let's work together to build a future where families in crisis are met with support, understanding, and resources that empower them to heal, grow, and thrive.